Ready to master your Walmart rewards card payments and keep those rewards rolling in? Here's your step-by-step guide to paying your Walmart rewards card bill, ensuring you stay on top of your finances and continue enjoying your card's benefits. First, let's head over to Walmart.com. You'll want to locate and click the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login portal. Next, enter your username and password for your Walmart account if you haven't set up online access yet. You'll need to do that first once logged in. Navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section dedicated to your credit account, often labeled My Credit Account, Credit Cards, or something similar. Click on this to access your Walmart rewards card details. Here, you'll see your current balance, the minimum payment due, and the payment due date. To make a payment, find the Make a Payment or Pay Bill button and click it. You'll now be presented with your payment options. Choose your preferred method. This could be your linked bank account, a debit card, or another valid payment method you've previously saved or wish to add. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum, the statement balance, or a custom amount. Double-check the payment amount and the selected payment method for accuracy. Once you've confirmed all the details, click the Submit Payment button. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successfully processed. Alternatively, you can manage your payments through the Walmart app. Simply open the app, sign into your account, and locate the credit or card section to follow similar steps for making your payment online. Paying your Walmart rewards card bill on time is key to maintaining a healthy credit score and continuing to enjoy all the fantastic benefits your card offers. Happy spending!